Hi, everybody. It is time for reading again today. And today we're going to be doing the ending sounds. So when we do ending sounds, we're going to put it on our arm and listen at that end to see what it ends with, okay? I'm getting my paper ready. Our paper today, here it is. Looks like this. And you're going to put your name right down here at the bottom where it says name. Okay? All right. Give you a second to put your name on there. Then we're going to get started. This is a bag. A bag. Are you ready to put that on your arm? Ready? Bag. Ends with a. Okay, let's write it. It's a G. Go around, touch that grass line, back up, and then down to the worm line and hook. Bag. The next one, that is a pan. Pan. Let's put it on our arm. Pan. That's an N sound, isn't it? Goes down, come back up, over and down. Pan. The next one. Hey, that's what I drive. What is that thing? That's a van. A van. Okay, van. Let's put it on our arm. Van. Oh, I hear it. That's another N sound. Down, come up, over and down. Van. Okay, next one. This is a plane that goes really super fast. It's a jet. Jet. Let's put it on our arm. Jet. I heard that one. Tall T. Cross it in the middle. Jet. Okay. What is the chicken that lays the egg? What is that one called? The girl chicken is called the hen. Hen. What's the boy chicken called? Rooster. So this one is the hen. All right. Let's put it on our arm. Hen. That's an N sound. Down, come up, bump our head, over and down. Okay, this is what we have to do to our coat. What do we have to do to our coat? We have to zip. Zip. Ready to put it on your arm? Zip. I heard that P sound. Down. Hi, worm. How's the weather? Come back up. Go around to the grass line. Zip. Okay. Hey, this is some fake hair that you put on your head. It's called a wig. Wig. Let's put it on our arm. Wig. Ooh, that's that G sound. Go around, back where I started, down to the worm line and hook. Okay. Oh, what's this? Got it right here. Lip. Lip. You ready? Lip. P sound again. Down to the worm line. Hi, worm. How's the weather? Come back up. Go around to the grass line. Lip. Oh, this is something I'd like to see. Shining bright. Sun. Sun. Ready? Sun. N sound, yes. Down, come up, bump your head, over and down. Sun. Oh, you're not done yet. It looks like you're done, but you're not. Flip it over like a pancake. Oh, on this side, we're going to listen to the N sound beginning of the word. If it begins with N, let's see. What is this first thing? That's a turkey. Turkey. What does turkey start with? Yeah, it's a T. Turkey. So we're going to put a T on this picture right there. A T. Oh, there you are. A T on that. Okay? Do you know what this thing is right here? You pound it in the wall. It's a nail. Nail. Starts with N. Yes. So we're going to put an N right in that box by the nail. Nail. Okay. Next one. Looks like a monkey. Monkey. We're going to put what it starts with. What do you think it starts with? I'm going to show you. Starts with an M. Monkey. Next one is a number. You know that number. That's a 9. 9. What do you think it starts with? 9. N. Starts with an N. Next one. That is a net. Net. What does it start with? Starts with an N. And where does that hen lay her eggs? In a nest. Nest. What does that start with? Another N. Yes. Okay, now you have to cut those pictures out. And if it starts with the N, you're going to put it over here. If it doesn't start with an N, you're going to put it over here. All right? I have all of that stuff up where you got your picture or your paper. So you can get that stuff out to cut and glue. And there's markers there also. Okay? All right. Have fun.